Hi, welcome to another Canva section with me. And today I want to show you how you can design a simple logo for your brand. So, if you stay with me on this Canva design tutorial, you're going to learn how to create a simple logo for your brand, and you can use it anywhere, anytime. And you can also print as much as you can. It's something that you are proud of doing for yourself and for your brand. Okay, so stay with me. We already have a logo dimension here thanks to Canva. So we're just going to pick it and click on it. So when it comes to logo, I will not really advise anyone to pick any template and design, because it is very important for you to know what you want. You cannot decide to create a logo for a hair brand and then you end up having a shoe or a dress type looking logo. It is absolutely wrong. So your logo should represent your brand. If you're selling or you're pushing for the product that has to do with hair, that has to do with makeup, you all know that they're just going to be different. But if you want to have a store that promotes anything, you have to pick something unique to everything. So you really need to sit down, do your research before coming out to design a logo. Okay, and whoever is going to create a logo for you needs to understand how and when and where they want their logo to be placed. All right, so quickly let me show you. I'm just going to click on the blank area, and yes, it's loading. And of course, Canva will also always tell you to pick up a template. All right, but you don't want any of the templates, so you're just going to click on your back button that you don't want any templates. Okay, so as you can see, this is our white area. And what we're going to do, for example, I want to create a logo that will represent an online store, and I'm going to name it as Victoria Online Store. All right, so it will actually give me the picture of having people patronize my different products. Okay, so this is my work space, and what I need to do is to click on the plus sign. All right, I want to bring something on the screen, so I'm going to click on the plus sign, and simply I'm going to click on the element. All right, okay, so what are you going to do? The simple way to do it is to click on whatever you're looking for. So I want to create something about an online store. What's the best thing what's the best object that I can use to represent my brand? So the best object is simply a cart, because you can use a cart to do anything, to shop for anything when you go to the shopping mall. So it's going to represent my brand. All right, so I just typed in cart, that's CART. So I'm just going to search for it using the element. Remember, I'm not on templates, I'm not on photos, I'm on, oh, this is beautiful. So I might just pick the first one. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful. So I have one thing on choosing this, is that it gives you the variety of changing the color. So if I don't want any of these and I want to change the color, I can do that. Okay, all right. Okay, I cannot change the color of this one, it comes this way, so I'm free to use these, okay, as my online store logo. Or better still, I can create something very simple and just delete and then go back to my plus sign and look for something really simple, something that might just fit anything. All right, okay, so I have the option of picking this. Okay. All right. So here we go. We have something for us to choose, but then it won't allow us to. If you're okay with the black color, you can go ahead, but I want something that I can twist the color to fit whatever I want to do. So I might just delete and look for another card. Okay, so on the card I have different options. Okay, so I'll just pick these. Okay, fine, this gives me the option of changing the color, so I might just pick this one and then change the color to these. Okay, this is very fine for me. And I can also decide to do something really awesome with this. I can duplicate, because I told you it has to do with your creativity. You can create anything that you want from this. Or okay, it's not going to work with this because I don't have the okay, I have the option to crop, so I can crop this area, crop this area, crop this, but it's not giving me the shape that I want. So I might just, okay, I can bring this in and then reduce it a little bit. Okay, and I can change the color to, I know yellow will go with it. Fine. So you can see that I've been able to do something with this. Instead of cropping from here, you can decide to do something as well. You can manipulate it by adding a shape. All right, so I'm just going to click on the plus sign, and what do I have to do? Under element, I can just cancel the cut and look for a square shape. I can type in square. Okay, so I can add square. This is square, it's really big. Why I love square, it gives you the option of really moving things around. All right, so I can just have these here. I can use it to have my tagline of what I want to, of the type of store. And also I can add something to these. Okay, so I can just add the cycle, the round shape, by tapping on it. And when I do, okay, with this round cycle, I can reduce it. All right, and bring it to this place. Okay, it's not looking perfect, so I might just increase it a little bit. Wow, you see how we have been able to transform this entirely from the original form. Okay, so this is my workspace, and of course you want to add a name to it. You can do as much as you can on this. For example, I might just add, click on the plus sign, and then look for a shape. Okay, so let me see all the shapes that we have. Okay, so I might just quickly run through them and see what I can use. Okay, I'm still going through the shapes. Okay, okay. I think I might just pick this one over here. All right, so I have a very small shape here, and okay, so I'm just trying to work on the area to see how it's going to fit into what I want to do or what I want to create. Okay, so this is fine. I'm just going to change the color to white and then drag. So this is it. Just duplicate it, add one here. I can duplicate, add another here. Okay, I can also duplicate it and add one here. Okay, can do all of that for it, so but I'm just going to leave it as this and reduce it a little bit so it fits. Okay, and then reduce. Just going to adjust as much as I can, or if it's not working you can just delete them, delete, and then use this particular size that you can see and then duplicate so you can move around. Okay, as you can see here, I'm just going to duplicate another one and then add here, and then duplicate another one and add to this place, and then duplicate, add here, bring it downward, duplicate, add here, duplicate, add here, and then you can also duplicate the final one and add it here. Ensure you shift the other one so they don't look too clogged together. Okay, ensure it's aligned. Your alignment should be very important to you as well. You can increase it a little bit with your hand by just moving it and then allow it to align. So far we already have these, so I can go ahead as much as I can, pick this shape, the round shape, duplicate, increase it like this, but as you can see is already on this part, so I can just send it to the back position. So I'm going to put to the back. All right, the other guy is not showing, so I'm just still going to click on it and then look for the position forward, back, forward to the back. Okay, I understand why it's doing that way. It's because of the color. So I'm just going to change the color to something maybe yellow. Okay, if I do that to the yellow, it's not going to come out nice. So green, still not coming out very well as much as I wanted. Okay, I'm just going to leave it at that yellow. Okay, or let's say orange. Orange is too, no. Okay, so I'm just going to pick something. Okay, black is fine. Black is fine. Okay, so here you go. You have this as your brand logo. So what do I have to do next? I can add in text. Can just add in your text. I'll just shift this to centralize it. Okay, so I can just add in my text over here. I'm just going to slide the fonts beneath and then click on the text that I want. Okay, I don't know why it's hanging and why it's hand. I don't know why it's hanging and it's giving me all these complicated colors. So I'm just going to click on the plus sign. I'm trying to add in text to the video. So I'm trying to add in my text. I'm just going to click on text to add to the logo I'm trying to design. Okay, the network is very strong and that is why it's taken so much time to pick one, but okay, so our text is here and then we're going to drag it to this place, and then of course I'm going to tap on edit to edit the text. I'm just going to put Victoria Store, or let me use Vixie Store. Oh, what spelling is that? Okay, that's not Vic Stores. So here you go. You can also walk around it if you don't like any of this color. So I'm just going to change it to white. I believe white is going to give me a very beautiful color. Yeah. So here you go. We have Big Stores as our logo. So anywhere you see Vic Stores, it all belongs to me, and I'm going to use this as my logo. All right, order anything online, it's going to be mine. So simply, this is how to create your brand logo. Whether you're creating a book, just ensure that you have something unique to your brand. Thank you so much for watching.